Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got another unpackaging video for you. This arrived in the post today. I've taken it out the outer packaging first. Just gonna get straight into it. They've actually put it in. This isn't actually from Shards, this is from the Silver Forum. They've just put it in a Shards bag. As you can see, it is a very nice collection of UK coinage. Now I got this from the Silver Forum. I paid a very nice price for it. The person that I got these from said they was actually collecting these 3p pieces. So you can see they've got really good examples of them. But yeah, it's just a little bit more silver to add to the stack. Like I said, I paid very good price for all this. I paid very close to spot price. That's the best way to get close to spot price with silver, especially being in the UK where you pay VAT and all the rest of it on top of the spot price when you buy silver. This is the cheapest way you can get closest to spot, is by buying old British coinage that contains silver. So yeah, just a short video for you. Nice addition to the stack. I think some of it's 92.50%. I think some of this is sterling. I think some of it's 50%. I need to work out exactly what's what. But yeah, silver, adding weight to the stack. Bit by bit. And yeah, some really nice, look, there's some really nice years in here. I'm going to have to sort through because there's probably a few coins in here that have got a nice numismatic value to them as well. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.